Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for August 27th. Florida Live EUS Conference 2025, the live symposium designed to provide participants with a comprehensive education in endosonography, took place last week, featuring live demonstrations, sessions on future innovations, state-of-the-art lectures, industry-sponsored symposiums, and hands-on training.
The Live Endoscopy Symposium at Florida Live is very unique. The patients are categorized into 6 different sessions. So when people sit in each session, they're going to learn something very different. And all 40 cases are going to be very different from one another. So we have a very vibrant faculty. They're all very busy clinicians, and they're also very academic, doing cutting-edge clinical research. The breakfast sections are very informal. They are led by national and international faculty. They are going to deliberate common topics, things that you see every day in your clinical practice. So this is one occasion that brings the very best in the world and makes it very practical and accessible for doctors to learn from.
And Orlando Health was recently featured in the news when WESH 2 got an inside look at some of the improvements Orlando Health has made to Brevard County hospitals.
Healthcare in Brevard County is expanding as more standalone urgent cares have been popping up and more money is being put into resources at existing hospitals.
It's all up-to-date evidence-based medicine now, right? And things actually work, right? Where at Steward, we didn't really have a lot of stuff, right? With OH, we had endless supplies.
Those decisions were made fairly quickly about what we needed to invest in to give our patients the best care in our community.
And a celebration was held to honor Orlando Health Dr. P. Phillips Hospital's 40th anniversary this week, a milestone in serving the healthcare needs of Southwest Orange County residents and visitors worldwide since 1985. Multiple Orlando Health team members with decades of service were recognized at the event. Known as Sand Lake Hospital until 2007, Orlando Health Dr. P. Phillips Hospital has been recognized for numerous quality and safety achievements and the long-standing commitment to our patients and the community. And last week, Orlando Health Jewett Orthopedic Institute brought together spine surgeons, residents, and fellow physicians in the Orlando Fire Department to prepare for any spine-related injuries that might occur on the football field this season. Orlando Fire EMS crews demonstrated how to care for a patient on the field with spine injuries with live volunteers. The training is crucial for sports medicine and orthopedic resident physicians who will be providing medical care from the sidelines this fall or in their future careers.
Here at Orlando Health Jewett Orthopedic Institute, we cover a lot of the local high schools around Orlando and Orange County, as well as several of the colleges and professional teams. Typically, when an athlete is down and we suspect a cervical spine injury, you got to get out there quickly. Once we get them stabilized, we need to get them onto the spine board and then onto the stretcher so we can get them to the ambulance and then ultimately to the hospital. And so there's a process behind that that really minimizes the motion of the cervical spine and limits the risk. There's a lot of value in doing it, getting your hands on, practicing it, and doing it together with the other people that you might be working with on a field. And you really feel how valuable it is as you're doing it.
And Orlando Pride is hosting its first ever teddy bear toss on Saturday, September 13th at 5 p.m. and you're invited to be part of this heartwarming event presented by Orlando Health Arnold Palmer Hospital for Children. This special halftime event lets fans throw teddy bears onto the field, and every bear collected will be donated to Orlando Health Arnold Palmer, bringing comfort and smiles to young patients. And here are a few dates to know. Check Swift for all the details. That's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. We'll see you next week.